Okay.
Just tell me. I just
What? Scared you?
A powerful storm that swept through Edmonton on Friday evening caused localized flooding, road closures, and damage to several city facilities. The storm, which struck around 8 p.m., brought heavy rain and strong winds, resulting in downed trees, damaged traffic signal poles, and flooding at recreation centers and other public buildings.
Later you're gonna be stuck over there too.
Yeah. No. No.
Look at
That
that.
black car stuck.
2 cars stuck
Isa lang,
on the
isa.
road. No, there's another one, the black one there.
Okay, let's go back here.
You're so close.
Oh, reverse.
Yeah.
A car reverse. Woo! Let's have fun. Let's have fun.
That's so good.
Look at this car. Oh, whoa.
As of Saturday afternoon, after another brief thunderstorm, the city said 111 Avenue near 158th Street and 118 Avenue near 149th Street both had single-lane closures.
No way those guys get
Look how deep the water is. Buddy's car is stuck.
EPCOR crews were working to reopen the roads. A down traffic signal pole at 83 Avenue and 104th Street was temporarily repaired, but crews were working to open the road. The 170 to 178th Street off-ramp to Whitemud was closed. Yellowhead Trail at 82nd Street under the CN overpass also had crews working and remained closed. A full list of traffic impacts is available on the City of Edmonton website. Teela's World of Science.
Shit.
What? What's happening?
Someone's car's stuck in the water.
Oh no, and it's flooded.
Holy fuck.
Edmonton was also closed until further notice after rainwater flooded most of the building's main floor, according to a Saturday media release. Staff evacuated everyone inside just before 8 p.m. All guests and employees were reported safe.
It's off, Corey! Oh my god!
You only see that shit in movies.
The flooding is extensive, and while we do not yet know the full impact, we are committed to sharing clear and timely information as our assessment continues, CEO Constance Scarlett said. The center said it was actively working with the city and would keep updates posted on main social media channels. These facilities were also closed due to flooding until further notice. Commonwealth Recreation Center, Peter Hemingway, Aquatic Center, St. Francis Xavier Sports Center, Grand Trunk Fitness and Leisure Center Heritage Amphitheater, and Rollers Roller Rink. The Orange Hub, Citadel Theater, and Central Lions Recreation Center experienced some flooding but remained open to the public.
Just tell me. I just
What? Scared you? Where is your car?
it's over here.
I see the car in the water. I stopped to take a look.
Edmonton's primary utility group says more than 13,000 people lost power Friday night during the storm.
Whoa! You see that?
We appreciate the patience of Edmontonians as we work to restore power safely and as quickly as possible overnight, an EPCOR spokesperson told CTV News Edmonton. Across local community groups, Edmontonians posted cars in parking lots and on roads surrounded by pooling water. EPCOR says crews got about 140 calls since the storm for water-related concerns such as flooding and are dispatched in areas where water had pooled.
Everybody that's in a car is like, fuck.
No, gross it out.
I finally get my truck washed. Down here it'll be worse.
The city says there are various broken LRT crossing arms at intersections across Edmonton. Crews were still working to repair damage on Saturday afternoon. Active construction sites had also seen localized flooding and delays. The city said it would announce new timelines after further evaluation of major projects. Other public paths along the city have flooded after overland drainage, which was expected to subside on its own.
No le dé res porque lo apaga.
Allá. Aquí. Eso.